Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make V2 Lite full guide. Start by gathering parts and setting a clear goal for brightness and runtime. I will walk you through component selection, wiring basics, and simple tests to confirm functionality. Follow along as I explain mounting tips, heat management, and common pitfalls to avoid. This approach keeps the project manageable and safe while delivering reliable results for daily use. Pick LEDs and a driver that fit the form factor and power requirements of your V2 Lite. I will explain how to match voltage and current while keeping efficiency high. Make sure you have a good multimeter for quick checks and a reliable soldering iron for secure connections. Also consider heat sinks and mounting hardware early so everything fits smoothly during assembly and testing. Begin assembly by preparing the board and applying thermal compound to the heatsink for better cooling. Carefully solder the LED contacts and route wires to minimize stress points and heat exposure. Use a multimeter to verify continuity and correct polarity before powering up. Once the driver and LEDs work together on low power for a stable test, proceed to final mounting and sealing for a clean, durable finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.